Morning guys. Ngayon is January 3rd 2026, alas 8 ng umaga. Medyo malamig ngayon kasi medyo maambon, nag-snow pakunti-kunti, kaya ito yung pagkahapon medyo malamig. Is negative 12 right now. Guys, Happy New Year. Still New Year guys. Woo. January na 2026, pero si Idol, our President, BBM pa rin ang ating presidente ng bansang Pilipinas. Yan guys.